This video will show you how to replace the tilt latches on Silverline double hung windows. You'll need safety glasses, a flat blade screwdriver, and pliers, as well as replacement tilt latches. Start by unlocking the window and lifting the bottom sash approximately 1/3 of the window's height. Tilt the bottom sash inward by sliding the tilt latches toward the center of the window. With the tilt latches fully retracted, slowly lower the sash until it is perpendicular to the window frame. The sash must be supported during tilting, removal, and installation. Failure to support the sash may result in injury, product, and/or property damage. Sash balances are under high tension. Use caution when removing the sash to avoid possible injury and/or product damage. Use extreme care when working around a window opening. Never leave a window opening unattended, especially when children are present. Falling from a window opening may result in severe injury or death. To remove each tilt latch, gently press the flat blade screwdriver under the back of the tilt latch while pushing in and prying out. Once the tilt latch is pushed out, pull it from the sash using your fingers or pliers. Dispose of the old tilt latch properly. Position the new tilt latch with the slope side up. Insert the latch into the opening on the meat rail and thread the tilt latch through the stile. Press it into the sash until fully seated. If you're replacing tilt latches in the top sash, begin with the bottom sash tilted in. Tilt the top sash in and replace the tilt latches, repeating the previous procedure. When you are finished, fully retract the tilt latches and raise the top sash until the tilt latches are fully engaged with the frame. Lower the sash approximately 2 inches to engage the balances. Then, lift the top sash to its highest position. Return the bottom sash to the frame. Fully retract the tilt latches and raise the bottom sash until the tilt latches are fully engaged with the frame. Finally, close and lock the window. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the tilt latches on your Silverline double hung window.